What's going on, everybody? It's Stock Sniper Alex, and I'm back with another tip of the week. This week, I just want to talk to you guys about short selling and what broker we use to short sell, and a little bit of insight on our strategy behind actually shorting these stocks and being profitable shorting these stocks. So first things first, if you guys know us, you guys have been around us for a while, you know that we primarily go long, and our broker to go long when we buy a stock is TD Ameritrade. Unfortunately, TD Ameritrade sometimes does not have shares available to short. Actually, most of the time they don't have shares available to short, and anything basically under $5. We recommend opening up another account, a separate account, and the broker that we choose is Interactive Brokers. We've tried a couple different brokers, and we found that Interactive Brokers is definitely the best fit for us for a couple different reasons, but there's no fee to locate shares, their commissions are low, and there's no minimum to open up an account. You can open an account with $100. We highly recommend Interactive Brokers. They also have a mobile platform, which is not as good as TD Ameritrade with their technical analysis, but it's getting there, and you can trade from their mobile platform. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to show you guys what's on my phone, and what you're looking at is the Interactive Brokers mobile platform main page right here, and this is once you create an account, you can log in on the mobile app, and this is the main page. It has, you can create your watch list similar to Thinkorswim. When you actually go to make a trade, it's basically the mirror opposite of when you buy a stock. At the bottom middle is the trade page. You click that, and the first thing you're going to do is create a sell order, and now this is the order page coming up. You just choose the stock. VIVE is running today. It's a NASDAQ listed stock. On the quantity, let's say we want to get 1,000 shares, roughly 1.9K. Right now the stock's at 191. So if you didn't want to get in right now, you could put the limit price higher than where it's at right now. So let's say we put it at $2, roughly $2,000. And that's basically it. So if the stock's at 191, if it does come up to $2, the order will get filled at $2 and will be in short at $2. Now, ideally, once we're in the trade, the stock goes down, right? So we're going to make money when the stock goes down. So ideally, the stock comes down to, let's say, $1.50. Once the stock comes to $1.50, we'll then just do the opposite, put the buy order in for our 1,000 shares, and that'll rebuy the stock at $1.50. And we're going to make the difference between $2 and $1.50. So that's 50 cents a share times 1,000 shares. That's $500. That's the ideal scenario when you're shorting a stock, and it's rinse and repeat, just like long. A couple tips here on the actual order page. If you wanted to do an extended, if you wanted to execute the trade pre-market or after hours, you go to this outside RTH. RTH stands for regular trading hours, so it's outside of regular trading hours. You just click that to turn it on, and now your order will be executed if it's pre-market or post-market. You need that on because it won't get executed if it's not. And another cool thing that Interactive Brokers has is if you swipe in from the right, you can actually have the chart here, and if you just hold on to that limit, you can drag and put it at any price you want. So if you want to put it at 205, or if you wanted to get in right away, you can put the order underneath, say at 185, and boom, you slide to submit it. So that's a quick way to just, wherever you want to put your limit, you can just put it on the chart and then, slide to submit your order. If I slide to submit the sell, are you sure you want to put the order? Yes, I do. And so what happened with this stock is it says order is held while securities are located. So that means it's not available. And that happens sometimes with Interactive Brokers. They're a great broker, but their main focus is not to find shares to short of small stocks like these. They have bigger clients and they trade different things all around the world. So they're more focused on keeping those people happy. But they do have shares available. Although it takes them a little bit of time, they do become available and there's no fee to locate them. So this is good. This usually happens for stocks that are running quickly, or if it looks like it's a really good short, that means, there's probably a lot of people looking to short it. So there might not be shares available. This helps you, understand whether the stock is, if there's a lot of people shorting it, or if people are actually shorting it. And what you can do here is go to your orders tab, and you can see here is you have the order set VIVE at 185, 1,000 shares. Now you can see right underneath the ticker, it has that green dash there, and if you click onto that green circle, it says that it indicates that this contract can be sold short, but at the moment there are no shares available and the system is searching for them. So they're actively looking for it. So what we've come to find is, if you know the stock probably isn't going to be available to short, start asking early. Ask before it looks like a really good short. And that's just in case, to just be ahead of it. Because if you start asking, once the stock is obviously a good short, you're probably going to be late and there's probably not going to be shares available. But if you have been asking for a day or two before, you're already ahead of the line, and you could possibly get the shares filled. So we've come to find out that usually it takes about a day for these type of stocks for Interactive Brokers to locate the shares. So if we ask today, they'll probably be available tomorrow morning. So ideally the stock goes even higher and then we can short it the next day. So sometimes it works out perfectly for Interactive Brokers. But yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, it's just the mirror opposite. If you want to get in right away, if you're looking to short and you want to get in right away, you got to put the limit underneath, at the bid or underneath, because that's where you're going to get in. If you want to just wait for your spot, you can put it above where the price is and let someone come up and actually fill your order. We still use TD Ameritrade. Their watch list, our master watch list, is all on there. Just when we are ready to short, we will just come over to this app and execute the trades right here on this page. And like I said, if the shares are not available, Interactive Brokers will notify you once they are available. So if you didn't have this order in, they're not going to notify you when shares are going to become available. So always just put an order in way above where the stock is at, just to make sure that they're looking for shares, and if there is, you can get them first. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Shorting is difficult, but it is very rewarding at the same time. You need all the same discipline skills as you need going long. Sky's the limit. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Give me some great feedback. I'll see you next tip.